Okay, so I got my screw for the handle for the weed whacker, which popped off when after I got it. So we're gonna put the handle on the weed whacker, and it is a standard screw, and I have a Phillips screwdriver. So I gotta go get my standard screwdriver. So 1 second. Okay, so here's the handle. So we are going to put the handle on the weed whacker. It's going to go like that. I'm going to get it straightened out, make sure it's going to be straight when I use the weed whacker. So let's go get a standard head screwdriver. Okay, so we got the standard screwdriver, standard head, and I got these my wrench because I'm going to have to tighten the bolt. Yeah. Okay, so let's get them out of the package and put the handle on. And get the nut. All right, so we're going to put the handle on. Okay, so the handle is attached, so now we're going to put the screw in. And I got it on the wrong side. The nut goes over this side. The screw's over here. Oh no, the nut goes over there. Calm down. All right. The nut is already in there, so that'll be a lot easier for me. So we'll tighten it up, and then we'll be able to use the weed whacker. Well, you can still use it, but now we'll have a handle. Making sure it's nice and tight because last time it fell off. Tighten it some more. Okay, so it's as tight as I can get it. Gypsy and Max are barking at the neighbor dog over there. Alright, so got the handle on the weed whacker, so now I can hold the weed whacker properly while weed whacking. Alright, so hope you like the video of the weed whacker handle. The weed whacker handle is now assembled to the weed whacker. Ta-ta.